Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change Google language back to English, or how you can change where you can find the language setting in Google. I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Okay, so here first come to the Google. Okay, type Google here, and maybe your language will be different here. Okay, so you can find out the language setting. Just just log in with your Google account first, then click on this your profile photo and go to the manage your Google account. Okay, and here you will bring to the next page, which is your my Google account, where you can find your all details. So here first option is home option, and second is the personal info. So you can see this is icon, just click on second option. Okay, if you are unable to read the language, just say click on second option. Now just scroll down, and in here you will see the password option, and next to it it will be like general preference, this icon. Okay, so this language icon, you have to click on it. Just click on it, and maybe here you have selected the another language, so you can click on this pencil icon where you can edit the language. Okay, and just search the language that you want. I just search English again, and again you have to select your country here. So I just change the country with United States and just select. Okay, so your language will be changed with the United States. If your language still not change automatically, just refresh your browser, it will be changed. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.